We are now here at the Computing Center at Arya Group of Institutions. We have with us Mr. Kailash Kumar, who takes care of the entire computing paraphernalia out here. Kailashji, what is the computing paraphernalia existing at Arya?
So it's near about 1200 computers in the single LAN. We have a optical fiber network and near about 25 computing labs. Each lab have a 30 computers capacity. And here we have a 45 Mbps lease line, and that is 1:1 dedicated lease line. So in exam center we will provide near about 1200 computers at a time.
Okay.
In one go. And
What kind of other servers and other networking paraphernalia you have got?
so we have online server, which is our in-house. We have an online server for which we on which we are taking the exams of our own students, about 100 students in a one go. And we have a bandwidth management server also, on which we provide the Wi-Fi. Total we have a Wi-Fi campus. So in that we provide the users MAC-bind address and like total securities from that server.
What kind of technical support staff you have who maintains the entire IT at the campus?
We have a IT support team, near about 20 persons in that team, and every person have a lab. They are looking for the labs and the offices and the Wi-Fi control, and everything is controlled by our team members. That is near about 20 persons in that team.
What are the key challenges you face in the IT management across Arya?
So there's no such challenges. Management is supportive. If we want anything support from the management, then they provide. If we required anything from them, they will provide, and they just we have to give our requirement and they fulfill that. So there is no such challenges are there. Only you can say that management have good support from the management side, that everything is possible, easy going.
What kind of IT management training you impart to the students at large? Like at Arya, we have seen you have a robotics lab, you have some out of the way cup. So do you also train students in managing the IT infrastructure, or it is done only by the paid staff out here?
So sometimes it's doing by the paid staff also, and we have a Cisco lab in which we're providing the networking labs, and on that we showing that how our network is working and the live scenario of our network. We're showing the students and how the optical fibers work, and how the systems are connected, and what is the meaning of the LAN, and the servers are connected, and Cisco routers here, and this is CNA lab. And so in that course we give our inputs also, and sometimes we're taking the classes also to giving the practical knowledge.
Okay. So this is the entire computing infrastructure at Arya, which is quite fabulous, with a 45 Mbps 1:1 lease line, which is quite immaculate, and 1200 computers in one go. As Arya is also a destination for a lot of online examinations conducted by a lot of agencies out here. They have really got a very impressive computational infrastructure, which is becoming the backbone of technical education in times to come. Thank you.